Hello everyone. This is the second session of conditional formatting. In my first session, I had covered, let me show you what we had covered in last session. We had covered these conditional formattings: greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring, duplicate values. If you have missed the last session, I'll provide you the link with this video. Do go through that video as well so that you can understand part 2. Right, let's see what we will be covering today. In part 2 we will see about top 10 items, top 10%,
Bottom 10 items.
bottom 10%, above average, below average. So let's start with the first one. We want to know the top 10 items. Alright, let me select the range first. I have selected this range. Now I want to know the top 10. Then I'll go to conditional formatting. We'll choose the second one, top bottom rule. And then next is top 10 items. It is asking you can customize according to your requirement. If you want 10, then you can mention 10 here. If you want top 2, then you can mention 2 here. And you can also customize your requirement, like if you want some other yellow fill with dark text, whichever you want to be your numbers to be highlighted, you can change it. And you can, there is one more option of custom format also. Here you can customize according to your requirement. There are so many things to make. Here you can customize your requirement. You can change number, font, border, field, font style as well. So I'll go with the simple one. I want top 10 to be highlighted with yellow, fill with dark yellow text. You can see top 10 have been highlighted. Top 10 items have been highlighted. Alright, if I want to make some changes, if I want to see top 5, then as I told you in my last video, we need to first remove the condition here. To remove the condition, we need to select the range. Then we'll go to conditional formatting again, and then there is the go to bottom, there is a clear rule, and we have to clear rule from selected cells. So now let me try with top 5. Alright, I have selected the range again. I have been to top bottom rules and top 10 items. Here I will make the changes. Here I'll make the changes to, I want top 5. Alright, then let's see. You can see it has highlighted the top 5 items. Alright, I am clear. This way you can get to know about top 5, top 10. You can highlight according to your requirement. Now we'll go to the next rule. Before going to the next rule, I'll have to remove this condition with the same process. Next rule is top 10%. So it will provide you the top 10% numbers of this cell. Alright, for this let me select the whole cell, entire cell, and then I'll go to the condition formatting, second one, top rule bottom, then top 10%. Has highlighted the top 10% of this sheet. This way we can highlight top 10%. If you want to get top 5, then you can customize according to your requirement. Let me show you with the top 5%. I need to select this again and I need to remove the rules. Let me see what we get if we want top 5%. Alright, I have selected the entire cells. Then I'll go to conditional formatting. Then second one, top bottom rules. Then click on top 10%. I will make here 5 and let's see. So this has highlighted the 5%, top 5%. Next one, bottom 10 items, like we did in top 10 items. In the same way, we'll see bottom 10 items. For this, I need to select the range again. We'll go to conditional formatting, then bottom 10 items. It will highlight bottom 10 items. You can see it has highlighted the bottom 10. Alright, this way you can get to know about the bottom 10 items, and you can customize according to your requirement, as I told you in last conditions. Alright, now let's move to the next one. Let me remove the condition first. Bottom 10%, like we did in top 10%, in the same way we will do in bottom 10%. We'll select the cells, select entire sheet, then I'll go to the top bottom rule, then bottom 10%. You can see we have got the bottom 10% of this. Before going to the above average, let's find out what is the average of this numbers. Alright, average of the entire numbers, I mean. So what we will do to find out the average, let me put formula here, is equal to average tab. Now let me select the entire data, all the cells having number. So you can see this is the average. 60.8 is the average of the entire numbers. Alright, to find out above average, again I need to select the data. I have selected the data, then I'll go to conditional formatting, the second one, above average. So you can see it has highlighted the above average. You can notice one thing, why did I find out first average of all the numbers? Because you can see all the numbers are above 60. We have given the condition above average. So this is our average 60.8, and we have got all the highlighted cells with more than 60. Alright, now let's move to the below average. For that I need to remove the conditions again. We'll do the same process for below average as well. Let me select the cells. I have selected all the numbers. Then I'll go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules. Now below average, you can see all the cells highlighted here are below 60.8. You can check yourself. This is our average and we have given condition below average, so it should be below 60.8. I hope I am able to make you understand this. That's all from my side today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again with the third part of conditional formatting, because this is not completed yet. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day.